unit second, third chapter, that is graph and selection algorithm. Okay, the first graph is and selection algorithm. Selection algorithm. So ये यूनिट सेकेंड का थर्ड चैप्टर जो कि ओके सो देखते हैं इसमें क्या है. सो फर्स्ट इज द ग्लोसरी ऑफ ग्राफ. ग्राफ इज अ नॉन linear data structure. Okay, so graph is a non-linear data structure here. Okay, so we will see what is graph. You know, where you have studied in your graph subject only, maths में ही आपने graph and all you have studied, right? So just 1 minute. So हम लोग कहाँ थे? ग्राफ, राइट? टाइप्स, ग्राफ्स एंड टाइप्स और एप्लीकेशन. ओके, सो ग्राफ you have studied in your graph subject also, right? What is graph? ओके, जैसे ये आपको दिख रहा है. सो इसमें कुछ टाइप्स है ग्राफ के, वो वी विल सी. अ ग्राफ इज अ सेट टू बी फिनाइट, हैज द फिनाइट नंबर ऑफ वर्टाइसेस, फिनाइट नंबर ऑफ एजेस. सो फिनाइट नंबर ऑफ वर्टाइसेस एंड एजेस को हम बोलते हैं फिनाइट ग्राफ. ओके, सो दिस चैप्टर इंट्रोड्यूस इंपॉर्टेंट नॉन लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर कॉल्ड ग्राफ. नॉन लीनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ग्राफ. It has application to various fields like electrical and electronic, engineering, computer science, games and puzzles, geographical information, and so on. So, graph is a non-linear data structure. A graph, G consists of finite set of V consists of finite set of edges. V. See, G is a graph में G होता है, that is a consists of finite set of vertices. A graph G consists of finite set of vertices and finite set of edges E, which can be denoted by. So graph किसे denote किया जाता है? Graph is denoted by G equal to vertices and edges, right? So यहाँ पे कुछ टाइप से ग्राफ के, लाइक दिस इज अ फाइनाइट ग्राफ. सो ये कैसे होगा? अ ग्राफ is a set to be finite if it has finite number of vertices and finite number of edges. अगर finite number की vertices और edges हो गए, so this is called finite graph. और फिर infinite कैसे होगा? Then infinite, this type of infinite means a graph. Okay, so here a graph which have a graph is a set to be infinite. It has a infinite number of vertices as well as infinite number of edges. So before moving this infinite and finite, let's discuss about first vertices, edges, types of edges, and how to draw a graph, right? So let's discuss first this, then we will go in this section, types of graphs. Okay, so graph and so this section we're going to see the graph. So let's go paint and let's draw one graph. Okay, then you will get better. Okay, so suppose यहाँ पे हम लोग एक graph बना रहे हैं. Okay, so I'm drawing here one graph here. Okay, okay, okay. So let's give the name. Suppose यहाँ पे मैंने name दिया A. Okay, and यहाँ पे दिया B. Okay, this B. Then C. E. A B C D and E. Okay, so this is a graph A B C D E. Okay, so let's go here. Okay, so in above the graph, okay, in above the graph V is equal to that is A B, मतलब वर्टाइसिस क्या है, A B C D and E, राइट ये हुआ इसकी वर्टाइसिस. और you can say that मतलब graph means what in simple way I'm telling you. Okay, then E is equal to, we have to write edges. So edges कैसे होगा, first AB, right, see here AB, then AC, okay, AC, then BD, then CD, and finally DE, right. So यहाँ पे we can see vertices, that is A B C D E, this is the vertices of the graph, and edges, that is nothing but, see here AB, then sorry AB, AC, CD, DE and BD. So this is the vertices and edges. The graph is nothing but G of V comma E, right, जैसे कि हमने बताया. So graph terminology here, graph okay, graph terminology. So let's check here. First vertex, okay. So an individual data element of graph is called as a vertex. Individual data of element, okay. Vertex means what, individual element होगा data का, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, vertex, okay. So you can see here individual element of data is called for, मतलब individual data element of graph, इस graph का जो भी individual data element होगा is called vertex. Vertex is also known as node, okay. So vertex is also known as node. Above example of graph, you can see here the vertex is like A, B, C, D, E. So and E are as a vertices, right. Now what about edges? So here edge is connecting link between two vertices. Now I hope कि vertices तो आपको clear cut हुआ होगा. जब individual element जो भी graph में होता है उसको हम vertex बोलते हैं, और edges means दो line के बीच में जो भी connection होगा, that is called the edges. And edges is connecting link between two vertices, okay. Edge is also known as arc, ARC, and edge is represent as starting vertices and ending vertices. So edges ही क्या represent करता है, starting और ending vertices को represent करता है, right. In the above graph you can see that A is starting from and B is ending. Then you can see A and C vertices, sorry edges, then DE, right, CD, right, and VD. So these all are the vertices, edges, right. Vertices and edges में different. I hope कि आपको clear cut हुआ होगा. Vertices is nothing but individual element of graph is called vertices, and edges is the ending vertices of ending and starting and ending point is called the edges, okay. Now types of edges. Let's check types of edges, okay. So here types of edges. Edges is a connecting link between two vertices, right. We know this. Edges means what, connecting between two vertices is a link, connecting between two vertices is called the edges. So here some types are there, like first one is that is unidirected edges. Unidirected edges, okay. So let's see here what is this unidirected edges. Unidirected edges is a bidirectional edges. It is nothing but it is a bidirectional edge. If there is a unidirected edge between vertices A and B, then edge AB is equal to edge BA. मतलब unidirectional edges is nothing but is a bidirectional edge, okay. ये क्या है, bidirectional edges है. Then let's see here. if here edge AB, hmm? Suppose edge between vertices A and B, then edge AB is equal to edge BA. मतलब unidirectional edge means AB, okay? ABA is equal to bidirection means this one and this side equal to BA. This is nothing but unidirectional edges. Then second, directed edges. Directed edges. Okay. So directed edges में let's see क्या है. So in directed edges, okay, a directed edges is a unidirectional edges. Okay, directed edges ये क्या है? Unidirectional edges. If there is a directed edge between vertices A and B, then AB is not equal to BA. अगर ये direct edge है, okay, a direct edge means it will not equal to BA because it directly starting point to ending point. If there is a directed edges between vertices A and B, okay, there is a directed edges between vertices A and B, then AB is not equal to BA. Then AB is not equal to BA. Okay, that is the directed edges. Then weighted edges. Third point is a weighted edges. Okay, so let's see here. In this, a weighted edges is an edge with no cost on it. Okay, with weighted edge में आपको क्या होगा यहाँ पे नंबरिंग होगी लाइक 5 4 3 2 1 लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज कॉल वेटेड. सो यू नो वेरी वेल द व्हाट इज द ग्राफ. या ये सेक्शन आपको क्लियर कट हुआ ही होगा. ग्राफ इज नथिंग बट you can say the non-linear data, right? Then यहाँ पे हमने ग्राफ is indicated by with g equal to a g of ve, right? G of E, that is a graph. G for graph, V for vertices and E for edges. मतलब ये पूरा ग्राफ है, okay? और इसमें जो vertices है edges का combination is called graph, right? So we have seen that what is a vertices means what the actual individual element of the graph, it's called vertices, and the link between two vertices is called edges. Then graph we say have seen vertices is nothing but A B C D E, right? And what about edges is the AB, AC and DE, right? So this is about the edges and vertices. Then types we have seen unidirectional, directed edges and weighted edges. Unidirection means if AB is equal to BA, that is unidirection, and by the directed edges means AB is not equal to, this is directed connected is not equal to BA, that is directed, and weighted means if we putting the number on this, AB having 5, C AC having 4 3 means if we have uh, means number हम लोग डालेंगे, that is the weighted. Okay, so this is all about the edges, and so the types of edges. Now if you want to check these directed edges and unidirected graph, then let's see. You I hope you getting the points of these. If this three, okay, then I will show you through graph also. Let's go on paint. Okay, take it, new slide here. Okay, then we can paste this 3 point directed edges, unidirected edges, and what types of edges, unidirected edges, and this. So let's take first, let's draw unidirected edges. Okay, so here, okay, let me draw first, then we will discuss. This is a graph of the unidirected edges. Okay. This graph is about, this is the unidirectional graph. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so this is the unidirected graph. Okay, so and directed edges means what here? Let me introduce about directed edges again. Okay, so this is about the unidirected. This graph is unidirected. Okay, then we want directed edges. मतलब जो मैंने कहा b is not equal to ab is not equal to b, so हम इसका मतलब क्या होगा, यहाँ पे जो we have seen here this direct line, तो यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि जस्ट ये a और b का कनेक्शन है कि एरो जा रहा है, बट b a से एरो जा रहा है नहीं ये, so इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे क्या कहा है, डायरेक्टली ग्राफ, डायरेक्ट a और b का कनेक्शन है, राइट। देन यू कैन सी हियर सपोज b और d का कनेक्शन है, बट d और a का कनेक्शन है, एरो इधर जा रहा है, बैकवर्ड फॉरवर्ड नहीं जा रहा है, वन साइड ही जा रहा है, राइट। देन हियर सपोज इसका कनेक्शन है। ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ, गॉट इट, जो वन डायरेक्शन में ही हो, दिस इज द डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ। अगर ये अगर बाई डायरेक्शन होता तो यहाँ पे जिस ऐसे एरो बोथ साइड होता, बट हियर डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ दैट्स व्हाई एरो वन साइड है, सो दिस इज द डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ एंड दिस इज द यूनिडायरेक्टेड मीन बोथ साइड एरो। ओके, और वेटेज ये भी नथिंग बट यहाँ पे क्या होगा, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले कहा कि यहाँ पे वी विल पुट दी वेट हियर, राइट, मीन्स वी विल गिव द number like 5, then we will give the number means weight देंगे हम लोग, राइट, weight 4, then 10. ओके, सो लाइक दिस नंबर देंगे, उसको बोलते हैं वेटेड ग्राफ। ओके, आई होप कि आपको क्लियर कट हुआ होगा व्हाट इज द वेटेड ग्राफ, डायरेक्टेड ग्राफ, एंड व्हाट अबाउट द this graph vertex is edges in direction by direction, right? So we have studied this about all sections, so let's move the next point, that is weighted graph we have seen. Okay, adjacent. Okay, so we will see here adjacent. Okay, let's check it, what is there, just 1 minute, something is there. Okay, so here if there is a edge between vertices AB, then both AB are said to be adjacent. If there is a edge between vertices AB, okay, so now if you clear cut about this all point, then you will get this meaning. What I'm saying here, if there is an edge between vertices AB, then both A and B are said to be adjacent, right? Then this is about the AB. Then origin here, if an edge is directed, its first endpoint is said to be origin, means if edge directed, if you can understand the meaning of directed, then you will get the meaning of origin here. If an edge is directed, okay, its first endpoint is said to be origin of it. जो first endpoint होगा उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Origin of it. Okay, then destination. Okay, destination. So here, if an edges is the directed and first endpoint is said to be origin of it, and the other endpoint is said to be destination of it. If an edges is directed, okay, its first endpoint is said to be origin of it, and the other endpoint is said to be destination of the edge. Then outgoing edges. Okay, so here a direct edges is said to be outgoing edge on its origin vertex. Okay, a directed edges is said to be origin on its or what outgoing edges vertex and incoming edges. मतलब यहाँ पे outgoing and incoming edges है. We will see this. Okay, what is the outgoing, incoming, and all. Okay, so a direct edges is said to be outgoing edges on its vertices, and incoming edges, a direct edges is said to be incoming edges on its destination vertices. So let's go first again here. So take a new here. First, I will take. We will draw one table. Then we will check this. Okay, means you will get better then. Okay. So here let's draw the table first. Okay. Let's draw it. We require 3 column and let's take 7 row. Okay, just 7 row. Okay, so first we have to write vertex. Okay, let me write first, then we will discuss. After vertex, second column is about number of here number of we have to see this through diagram, but let clear first this, then we will move on our diagram. Okay, so vertex like suppose 1. Okay, sorry, 1, then next, so 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने 1 2 3 4 लिया. So we will see outgoing edges कितनी और इनका okay, outgoing and incoming edges हम लोग check करेंगे. Okay, so let's draw first. अभी let's draw the diagram first here. Okay, then you will get better. Diagram we will see outgoing and incoming edges. Okay, a table where it is we have see where it is outgoing incoming edges. Okay, so ओके, तो आउटगोइंग इनकमिंग एजेस हम लोगों को देखना है, ठीक है। सो आउटगोइंग मीन्स जहां से एरो मूव होगा, इनकमिंग मीन्स जहां पे एरो मैच होगा। सो सपोज अगर हम लोगों को वन का आउटगोइंग देखना है, ओके, वन की हमें आउटगोइंग देखनी है। ओके, सो हम लोग कैसे देखेंगे आउटगोइंग, मतलब जहां से एरो जाएगा। सो दिस इज अभी लेट्स ड्रॉ द डायग्राम हियर फर्स्ट। डायग्राम मीन्स एरो, आउटगोइंग मीन्स व्हाट। ओके, सी यहाँ पे ये आउटगोइंग हो रहा है। ओके, वन सपोज यहाँ पे वन साइड ऑन एग्जांपल। ओके, तो यू कैन सी दैट यहाँ पे वन, यहाँ पे एक आउटगोइंग जा रहा है, जिस एरो यहाँ पे, अगर यहाँ जो एरो जिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट से मिलता है उसको इनकमिंग बोलते हैं, और जहां से वो एरो मूव होता है उसको आउटगोइंग बोलते हैं। सो वन का आउटगोइंग क्या है, यहाँ पे वन का आउटगोइंग अगर दो जगह से जा रहा है तो टू, अगर एक ही जगह से जा रहा है तो वन। ओके, और इनकमिंग हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे कुछ इनकमिंग नहीं है, सो वी विल राइट जीरो हियर। ओके, अभी सपोज हम लोगों को टू का आउटगोइंग देखना है। ओके, suppose we have to see two's outgoing, so we will give like this. Okay, let's check the, okay, so here क्या है, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि अब इसका आउटगोइंग क्या है टू का, of course वन, right? You can see here outgoing वन, and if you want to increase and also ऐसे नहीं कि वन पे ही अटकता है, you can मतलब जो भी डायग्राम में आपको दिखेगा you can write here, see now, अब आपको टू का आउटगोइंग कितना मिलेगा, वन टू, राइट। थ्री क्यों नहीं, बिकॉज ये एरो इनकमिंग में है, जो एरो मूव होगा दैट इज आउटगोइंग, और जो एरो मिट होगा दैट इज इनकमिंग। सो वी कैन सी दैट टू का आउटगोइंग टू है, राइट, राइट, और इनकमिंग वन। ऐसे ही थ्री का आउटगोइंग, लेट्स ड्रॉ थ्री का आउटगोइंग, वी विल सी, so थ्री का आउटगोइंग सपोज टू। ओके, थ्री का आउटगोइंग क्या है, टू, थ्री कितने भी हो सकते हैं, और इनकमिंग ऑल्सो टू, राइट। सो फोर का आउटगोइंग जीरो, कहीं से भी जा नहीं रहा, और इनकमिंग टू। So this is about outgoing and incoming edges. Okay, so we have see about that adjacent is nothing but if there is a edge between vertices A and B, then both A and B are said to be adjacent. Okay, then origin, if an edge is directed, its first endpoint is said to be origin of it. Destinations, if an edge directed its first endpoint, if said to be origin of the of it, and the other endpoint is said to be the destination of the edge. Okay, then outgoing edges and incoming edges I clear, incoming and outgoing edges मैंने आपको clear cut किया, right? Incoming edges and incoming edge and outgoing edge, right? So this is about the outgoing and incoming edges. Okay, then degree of vertices, uh, this application of graph and types of graph, this all we will see in my next lecture. Okay, so today's lecture we will stop here. Thank you.